Today I am going to teach you another strategy that you can use to more quickly and more efficiently add equal groups of objects to find out how many objects you have in all. This strategy is called multiplication. When you have groups of objects and there is the same number of objects in each group, we call these equal groups. So these circles are in equal groups because each group has 2 circles in it. Since each group has an equal number of circles, we are able to use multiplication to see how many circles we have in all. When we multiply, we put equal groups of objects together to find the total. To help us multiply, we must first put our groups of circles into what is called an array. An array is when we put our groups of objects into rows and columns. So if I were going to put our circles in an array, it would look like this. Rows go right to left, left to right, sideways or back and forth. So this is a row, and this is a row, and this is a row, and this is a row. The number of rows tells us how many equal groups we have. Since there are 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, we know that there are 4 equal groups. Columns go up and down. So this is a column, and this is a column. The number of columns tells us how many objects there are in each group. Since there are 2 columns, 1, 2, we know that there are 2 circles in each group. So we have 4 equal groups with 2 objects in each group. So there is 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. Now, we could find out how many circles there are altogether by adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which would equal 8. Multiplication sentences are made by using repeated addition, adding the same number over and over and over again. When we write multiplication sentences, it should look like this. This blank tells how many equal groups we have. This symbol is the multiplication symbol, and it tells that we are going to be multiplying. This blank tells how many objects are in each group, and this blank tells how many objects there are in all. So, to write a multiplication sentence for the array of circles, we first see that there are 4 rows. So we write the number 4 here, which means that there are 4 equal groups of circles. There are 2 columns, which means that there are 2 columns, 2 circles in each group. So we write the number 2 here. We read the multiplication sentence as 4 times 2. This is saying that there are 4 equal groups of 2. So we add 2 4 times, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 8. Or we could skip count by 2 4 times, 2, 4, 6, 8. Either way, we get the same answer. 4 times 2 equals 8. so there are 8 circles in all. Eventually, with enough practice, you will not have to add 2 4 times or skip count by 2 4 times. You will be able to just look at 4 times 2 and know automatically right away that 4 times 2 equals 8. And that is how you can more quickly add equal groups of objects to find out how many objects we have in all by multiplying, which uses repeated addition, adding the same number over and over again, and arrays. That is all for now. Thanks for watching.